Factories have shaped our world for centuries. But what if the next industrial revolution doesn't look like a factory at all, but instead a simple printer? A printer not for paper, but for houses, cars, medicines, even rocket engines. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, quietly reshaping industries across the globe. Today, we'll explore how 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is rewriting the rules of production. From cutting costs and reducing waste to creating life-saving medical implants and futuristic vehicles, 3D printing is more than just a tool. It's a game changer. Not long ago, 3D printing was used mostly to build prototypes. Designers and engineers loved it for testing ideas quickly, but industries soon realized its potential for much more. General Electric, for example, now prints complex jet engine parts that used to take hundreds of separate components. What once required months of assembly is now created in a single process, lighter, faster, and cheaper. Imagine a world where products are not built in massive quantities for the average consumer, but printed on demand, tailored for each person. In medicine, this is already happening. Prosthetic limbs, dental implants, and even custom pills are printed to perfectly match individual patients. And in construction, giant 3D printers are building houses layer by layer. No molds, no waste, just pure efficiency. Speed is another advantage. What once took months in traditional manufacturing can now be completed in days, sometimes hours. A rocket engine in India, for example, was printed in just 3 days, a process that used to take nearly half a year. And because 3D printing uses only the material required, waste is dramatically reduced, cutting costs and lowering environmental impact. The impact spans across industries. In aerospace, lighter printed components save fuel and increase safety. In automotive, companies like Audi and Singer are reshaping the design of cars, even creating hypercars built with the help of AI-driven 3D printing. In healthcare, doctors use 3D printed models to plan surgeries with precision, and researchers are pushing toward the possibility of printing human tissue. So, what does the future hold? We may soon see decentralized factories, where products are no longer shipped across oceans but printed locally. Entire industries could shift toward a model that is faster, cleaner, and more flexible than anything we've known before. And as materials and technology continue to advance, the only limit may be our imagination. 3D printing isn't just about making objects. It's about reshaping how humanity creates, builds, and innovates. From rockets to medicine, from homes to hypercars. This quiet revolution is proving one thing: the future of industry is being printed layer by layer.